Top 5 things to do in Lahore. Our first stop is Playdium. It's a really fun place with VR games, arcade games, rides, and even bowling. We went bowling and honestly had such a great time. Right next to Playdium, you'll find Transfinity VR. They've got really cool group VR games. I also tried Cricket VR game outside Playdium, and it was so much fun. Definitely worth it if you're into gaming and experiences. Next up is Winterland.
राइड्स हैं बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन हमारे लिए मेन ये चीज़ है क्योंकि बर्फबारी आपको मिलती नहीं है।
Just nearby, you'll find the Eiffel Tower in Bahria Town. Finally, we wrapped up with some outdoor karting at 2F2F Formula Karting. So that's my list of the top 5 things to do in Lahore. From gaming and snow to iconic views and racing, there's something here for everyone.